How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning and welcome to today's session where we're going to try and encourage people to get involved in trading. What we see today is a list of open positions that we're trading now, and these are positions we've talked about all this week. Coffee is up. The dollar Lira position making money. The euro Lira position making money. And these are positions we opened just yesterday after we closed out these positions with a profit yesterday. Also dollar, euro, dollar Lira, and Turkish Lira. So we took $13,000 worth of profit out of those positions. We reopened them today with new positions, and we're ahead in those positions by about $12,000. So my point to you is this. The signals have some validity, not all the time, but in the case of Lira and coffee, they've been working out very, very well. And the idea is to encourage you to take positions and trade them as well. All you have to do is enter the positions with well, we've been through this. We've worked this through. These are positions we highly recommend. Let's take a look now at some of those positions and see what we're doing now. We're going to our the Trading View screen, which is our principal data tracking screen. Although we could use MT, or we could use the chart on the on the trading platform itself. Now things are reacting a little slowly today because when we do the sessions, it always drags along a little bit. So I apologize for that. But my point is this: that it pays to pay attention to some of these signals that go on in the marketplaces because they are following actual assets that are really on the move. And when you enter the positions, you can profit on those trades by following the directions of the signal. So if it ever comes up, we'll take a look at the real-time dollar Lira position, which has been very successful for us this week and millions of traders around the world. And here we go. And well, here we go, nothing. That tells you everything we need to know about the dollar Lira. Let me run through those of you who have not been following and who want to catch up a little. The central, well, how do I start this story? It's such a sad story if you're a Turkish citizen, but if you're a foreign currency trader and you're shorting the Lira, it's a great trade. The president of Turkey is a dictator. I call him the Sultan because he acts like a sultan. He has absolute power and pays attention virtually to no one. And he's been turning the economy really into an overheated mess. Inflation is running over 20%. The value of the Lira, as you can see, and this is counterintuitive. As dollar Lira goes up, it means that the value of the Lira has gone down because it takes more Lira to buy $1 US. So we're headed to 10 surely and perhaps 12 or more. And the idea is that he is of the opinion that raising interest rates raises inflation, which is not true. Raising interest rates lowers inflation. He's got serious inflation on his hands, but he doesn't want to raise interest rates and make it harder for whatever support he has left in the country to borrow money. So he keeps interest rates low, thereby fueling inflation. Well, as unfortunate as this is for Turkish citizens, although very fortunate for people going to Turkey on a tourism holiday because their shekel or their lira or their euro or their pound or their hryvnia or their zloty or whatever currency they're going to visit Turkey and exchanging for those lira is very, very strong and getting stronger by the moment. So if you're going to tour in Turkey and you're taking your foreign currency and buying lira, well, here's the value of your foreign currency in lira. Can't go wrong because, since we're on the sound effects theme, this, ladies and gentlemen, this chart is a runaway train. That's right. This is a runaway train, and it pays to get on board as soon as you can. So until or when the central bank runs out of foreign exchange, which will be a while. Turkey is a huge economy and a fairly prosperous one. They've got a lot of foreign exchange, and they're burning through it fast, of course, with this idiotic exchange rate. But we don't care. We're making money trading the currency, and the markets will discipline them sooner or later. And in the meantime, this trade for us is, that's right, it is a runaway train, and we are trading it. So that's going to conclude for today's session, ladies and gentlemen. Dollar, lira, euro, lira. We are trading ahead of the game. Our actual positions, we have closed out. Positions are making, and these opened up yesterday. They're about 12,000 up. These are positions we closed just yesterday that we had opened earlier in the week, and they were up another 12. So these are great positions to trade, ladies and gentlemen, and therefore we wish you all the ability to trade with confidence. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye for now.